Hi guys, today my Granny Joya is going to show you the most basic knitting stitch called the knit stitch. Here is how you start. First you have to cast on the required stitches using one of the methods that Joya has shown on her previous videos. So let's get started.
Now I have cast on 25 stitches using the 2-needle method. Here is the tail and here is the main part of the yarn. Hold the needle with the stitches on it in your left hand. Pull the yarn towards you with your right hand and hold the yarn tight with your ring and little finger. Then hold the other needle between your thumb and index finger like this. Insert the tip of your right hand needle into the first stitch on the left hand needle. Hold the two needles like this. Then put the yarn between the two needles with your right hand. And using the right hand, pull up the right hand needle so that there is a stitch on the right hand needle. Now, using your left index finger, push the stitch out of the left hand needle. Now you have completed one knit stitch and you have 24 stitches on the left hand needle and one stitch on the right hand needle. Repeat this process on each of the stitches so that all the stitches are transferred from the left hand needle to the right hand needle. So now one row is completed and you can see that the main part of the yarn has come to the tail. To continue, you have to turn around the needle and repeat the process again. After 40 rows, the work looks like this, and this type of pattern is called the garter stitch pattern.
You can make shawls, scarves, blankets, and way more using garter stitch. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.